so many luscious layers, Edwards pies are one of the great wonders of the world. Edwards is the colossus of creamy layers, the Taj Mahal of taste, the monument to morsels of chocolate, the Himalayas of happiness. From the chocolate-drizzled summit down to the freshly baked
dinner for just $11.99. New crispy fish tacos, jumbo shrimp, teriyaki glazed salmon, bone-in catfish, and more. No seafood sticker shock here. Golden Corral, the best buffet in the USA.
So, I was video chatting with my girlfriend. We haven't been together long, but she just